Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to play Clash Royale on a Mac. We'll start by exploring the different methods available for running mobile games on your desktop. Then, I'll guide you through selecting the best emulator for Mac OS, considering factors like performance and ease of use. Finally, we'll cover the installation and configuration steps, ensuring you have a smooth and enjoyable gaming experience. Get ready to dominate the arena from your Mac. When it comes to emulators, you have a few excellent choices. BlueStacks and Nox Player are two of the most popular and reliable options for Mac OS users. BlueStacks is known for its user-friendly interface and strong gaming performance, while Nox Player offers great customization. Both provide a stable environment to run Android apps, allowing you to enjoy Clash Royale with full keyboard and mouse support. Choosing the right one depends on your Mac specifications and personal preference. Once you've chosen your emulator, the next step is installation. Head to the official website of your selected emulator, like BlueStacks, and download the Mac OS version. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation. After that, open the emulator and navigate to its settings. It's crucial to allocate sufficient resources, such as at least 4 GB of RAM and 2 CPU cores, for optimal performance. Then, simply log in with your Google account. With your emulator set up, open the Google Play Store within it and search for Clash Royale. Download and install the game just as you would on an Android device. For the best experience, adjust the in-game graphics settings to match your Mac's capabilities. You can also customize keyboard controls to map actions to specific keys, giving you a competitive edge. Ensure your Mac has at least 8 GB of RAM for the smoothest gameplay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.